Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba 12 days ago, to be exact on July the 30th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $114.67 at pre-market hours. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset formed 5 waves structure, and it completed even its retracement ABC. And I told you that as long as this level holds of about $110, as long as this asset doesn't break this yellow line, it is a major line of support that I drew back in the days. In this case, we have to see another leg to the upside that should land somewhere around $130 or $126 mark. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Alibaba, and I made my previous video when this asset was at this point, and since I made it, guys, take a look right here. This asset went higher. It hit exactly the level of resistance that I marked in my previous video, $130 mark, and had a reaction. And as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel
and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what should we expect next from the price of Alibaba, how you can benefit out of this, and what might be the price target for this asset for the upcoming, well, several weeks and months. And let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, we have to find out the general sentiment related to Baba stock. And to do it, just type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to new stock folder. And let me show you just several news. This article was published on Trading Key and it's titled Alibaba Group Holding stock moved down by 3.26% on August 11. Key drivers unveiled. And let me quote you just bullet points. Alibaba shares pulled back amid profit-taking, technical overbought levels, and upcoming earnings. Securities fraud class action litigation created legal cost expectations and valuation overhang risks. Analysts maintain a constructive medium-term outlook with an average price target of $186.69. And guys, let me pay attention first of all to the first bullet point, but I will show you this on a price chart. If I take a look, if I show you the levels of RSI, you can see that when it hit the level of $130, it was at extremely high overbought condition at 78.72 points, and definitely it has to have some kind of cool down. On top of that, guys, right here you can see that the average price target is set at $168.69. But here you can see that wait a second. If you click on forecast, you can see that the average price target among 41 analysts is set at almost $190 mark, which implies almost 50% of upside potential. Definitely for now, well, from multiple perspectives, this asset is quite bullish. But we also have this article, and let me show you some details about its bull case related to AI momentum. So, the narrative around Alibaba has shifted meaningfully in recent weeks. The launch of Qwen 3.8 Max, a 2.4 trillion parameter AI model, sent shares up 4.4% on August the 3rd. Since then, the catalysts have piled up. Apple now lets Mac users in China connect Qwen AI to Siri and writing tools. Next one, Tesla is beta testing Qwen in vehicles in China for voice recognition and navigation. Alibaba plans to monetize its open source AI via revenue sharing with large enterprise users. And guys, definitely these are, well, I would say very bullish catalysts that might push the price of Alibaba higher in the medium and long-term perspective. But we have the closest deadline that is set on August the 20th. It is their earnings report. They will publish its earnings report on August the 20th before the market bell. If you click on this icon, you can see that on Thursday, August the 20th, before market open. And this might be a major catalyst for the rest of August and the beginning of September. But at the same time, guys, this structure overall, well, is not the perfect from the technical standpoint. And let me explain what I'm talking about. But first of all, before we dive deep into technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I told you in my previous video that in order to confirm the uptrend, we have to see 5-wave structure that is followed by 3 waves retracement. And we have these two, wait a second, we have these two waves, and this structure makes me thinking that we might be at the bottom of wave 1 on a bigger scale, and this is the retracement to wave 2, and we are about to see wave 3. And usually wave 3 is the most powerful, but this is not the case. And guys, on the one hand, yes, we still have a small chance that it is this type of A, B and C correction to the upside in the right before the next leg to the downside of its major downtrend. But I have some doubts because of very shallow C wave and because of very high volume of this first initial 5-wave structure. And what is this structure about? Let me explain you that potentially we might have this as our level of resistance, of support, sorry, and these tops are the level of resistance, and we might have leading first wave diagonal. Guys, if this is the case, we have to see another leg to the upside. On a bigger scale, let me show you scale, we might have this is our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Wave 5 should be shorter than any other waves, and in this case it will be a massive retracement, quite sharp I would say, and in this case guys, we might expect another ABC right here. And if it happens, this is the 1-2 setup on a bigger scale that will land much higher, and that will bring us to the, well, I would say in right after this retracement happens, it will be the movement to the upside that should break its previous major swing high that was established in October of 2025. And I would say that, well, I would like to see the breakout even above $200 mark. But first of all, guys, we have to find out what is the current, what is this structure about, and how we can rely on its upcoming movements. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium